guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, me and Duck we're gonna play.
Yes.
Yeah, I think we are gonna work there, so we have to get the job. Sadly, pilot. Okay, I think we are driving the plane. Yeah, we have to. Maybe we can go into. Oh no! Help! Wait, yeah. Someone will get to play with us. The YouTubers will play with us. A bacon man. Bacon man. Bacon correct. Bacon man. Let's call him Bacon Man. Bacon Man. Yeah. We are driving here. I don't like how you walk. Like if you look down.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard.
This does not look like an experience game.
And ensure your seat backs and tray tables are upright. In case of emergency, follow our cruise instructions.
Oh
Sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight with us.
no, these guys are driving. Good toilet. This is actually what I wanted to what toilet I want. Yeah. Does someone want a cup of tea? Okay, the skeleton wants a tea. Don't ask question. Take this. Maybe someone wants. Doesn't someone want to be healthy? No one. You want cake? You want cake? I just gave the cells. I think he wanted it. It's very famous, sir. I'm not even gonna lie. I want this cake too. I want this. The bacon man. Yeah. Same. I want to sit here though. Can I sit? Yeah. Oh, why is he sitting here though? This fancy guy. Why is two people famous, bruh? Oh no, rich. But they look very. He looks like he's a part of Hellfire Club. Look out of the window, bruh. This is not an experience game. No, look at my screen, baby. And why is Wizard Oz here? Let's call him Oz. Let's Oz. What should we do? Should we throw them off? How do I do that? Oh, you can write something. Oh, it's okay. You just want to. Okay, no, you don't. Okay, Carlota. Like a ding dong. A ding. Why does the skeleton only have one eye? Yeah, because that's normal, right? What? Okay, guys, that got glitched out. What if you fall out and got the secret ending? Wait, wait. Oh, I saw you. I see you. No, attack! Oh, wait, this guy. I don't know how this.
You go to your mouse. Yeah, okay. No,
There.
and then
Captures.
and then
That. Why are you just standing next to me, bro? Yeah, you should. Oh my days, that scared me.
it's just bottom.
Yes. Don't jump off.
I know. I'm gonna make a jump on
Just standing there watching everyone. You can just hello. Are you part of the Korok squad? If you aren't, I will kick you out of the plane. How did you even get outside? Oh. Oh yeah, I did that too in the streamer experience. I just jumped here, right? And wait, it did. Bacon Man is a very good one. You're like, open the door. You're just, can I go inside now? I have to look at you again.
Captain speaking. I can't believe an unidentified flying object has been us for a while.
No way. Someday. Yes. It's probably not. Maybe we can do it. Just gonna stand there and watch me fly off the plane. What? No, 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 you're gonna die. You're gonna die. Maybe you. Very far. Maybe we can use the, your favorite picture to this video. Wait, stand to the door. What is this? The skeleton ones. Stop. 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 Then I'm gonna leave. It felt like you tried to sing the just gonna stand here. Yeah. At least you're not annoying. I can just open the door, please. Hello. Wait, look at you, Smith. Hello. What are you doing? You go home. Yeah. What if you try to make it? You pro. Wait. What is this guy doing, bro? Yeah. Yeah, and then you have to spectate me. Just Colonel Stan. Bro, Bacon Man. We got a duck on the blade wing. Oh, sad. Clean. We're just gonna clean it like this with your bare hands. That's good to know. Hello. Why did I say hello? Wait, ask him if he's subscribed. I am Russia. Okay, guys. Okay. One squad. He's probably not. Everyone's everything again. Cockty Tom. They want a lot of cakes. Wait, no, they actually don't want cakes that much. Yeah. Two people. Of course the skeleton wants one, bro. You grab. Taking the cup of tea, and I take the cock. Just gonna sit there and watch me go. What? You're so short too. You're like, I can't see. I'm gonna spy on you. Squeak, squeak, squeak. What on? I almost glitched out. There's nothing.
It's not.
No. Yeah. A duck on the wing. Duck on the wing. Duck, duck, duck on the wing. So you can survive. Salad. You have to be healthy, bro. It's the Hellfire guy. He looks like a person from Stranger Things. He looks like Eddie. No, I have. And Somber is. I watched the whole thing. It's my favorite. Yummy. It's yummy from my tummy. Nothing is even happening, bro. Oh wait, something happened. Is your captain speaking? Come on.
Try not to touch it.
Object survive. Objective. Okay, that's gonna be pretty easy. Wait, where is it? What is it doing? No. No, it's coming for you. For me, it's pretty scary. Yeah. We just locked ourselves here. We're cooked. Right. Wait, I can open the door. That was just one ending.
Yeah, well, it should be.
Duck on the way. Then me too. I don't know where I am. Where am I? Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe to Duck. Subscribe to me. Join the Korak Squad. If you aren't, we would be happy. But yeah. Bye.